Impact is a patent-pending, innovative line marking system which is economical and cost-effective, as well as being very simple and clean to use. The system centres on a combination of ready-to-use paint, supplied in environmentally friendly packaging, and a multi-purpose spray marking machine. The Impact Glider spray machine has been devised by Groundsman for Groundsman and is totally compatible with the Impact paint. The machine applies a controlled volume and can accommodate 20 litres of paint, which when over marking can mark between 5 and 6 full-sized football pitches. This highly concentrated paint does not need to be mixed with water, as it is used directly from its environmentally friendly container. It will normally dry within 15 to 20 minutes and no water or mixing is required, saving on water usage and downtime when marking out. The paint comes in a strong plastic bag which can be disposed of after use with standard refuse, whilst the solid cardboard outer container is totally recyclable. Let us first look at the items you receive on delivery of your Impact spray marking machine. The Impact spray machine itself, which has already attached to it a spray head unit, adjustable handlebars, a high pressure detachable 50 psi pump to ensure consistent application rates, and a 12 volt heavy duty sealed rechargeable battery which can be easily removed. A lightweight removable cover for use in more adverse weather conditions. A detachable water container which enables quick and simple cleaning of the spray system. A variety of cone nozzles for grass marking and flat fan nozzles for hard surface marking to suit the presentation required. A set of adjustable discs for setting a variety of line widths and presentation needed. A battery charger which also incorporates crocodile clips for charging the battery away from the machine. The 50 psi high pressure pump comes already fitted to the spray machine and enables a consistent volume of paint to be applied. A 12 volt heavy duty rechargeable battery is supplied which when fully charged will give approximately 6 to 8 hours working time. On receipt of your machine, the battery should be fully charged. However, it may be advisable to check and if necessary charge up before use. Should you wish to charge the battery away from the machine, it can be easily removed and charged using the crocodile clips provided with your machine. When charging with the battery on the machine, simply connect the charger to the electrics box at the back of the machine. This box also holds the power and pump connections as well as the charger and battery connections. With the charged battery in position, you are now ready to complete assembly of the machine. Firstly, ensure that the connections to the pump, switch and battery are properly connected before proceeding. The handlebars can be placed in position and adjusted to the correct height. Once in place, they are then held firm by tightening the black knobs at the sides. To readjust, simply loosen the knobs, reposition the handlebars and retighten. Next, choose the nozzle that is required for the particular marking job of the day, or whichever suits your particular presentation requirements. In the main, we recommend using cone nozzles, as these coat the grass leaf better than a flat fan nozzle. Changing the nozzle controls the volume of paint applied to the surface. Simple, yet effective. Here, a blue cone nozzle is being fitted which is considered suitable for over-marking. On a full-size football pitch, this would allow over-marking of a previous line with just over 3 litres of impact paint. If a better presentation is required, simply change the nozzle, not the paint. The discs are attached and positioned according to the line width required. The whole unit can be adjusted vertically and then locked in place. The height of the nozzle head is adjusted to suit the width of line required. We are now ready to prime the machine. Put the probe in the water container. There is a filter fixed on the probe which prevents any debris from the water tank getting into the pump. The bottom of the probe houses a non-return valve, and once the system is full of liquid, the possibility of air entering the system is eliminated, providing the water level is kept above the metal connection on the water bottle. Let us continue priming the machine. With the probe in the water tank, open up the grey priming valve at the rear of the machine and turn on the power via the switch positioned on the handlebars. Water will travel through the pipes and out through the valve. Leave priming for around 30 seconds and then switch off the power. You are now ready to start marking out. On reaching the pitch to be marked out, firstly decide whether or not to use the detachable lightweight cover, and if you wish to carry 1 or 2 of the 10-litre boxes of impact paint on the machine. For the purposes of this demonstration, the cover will not be used, and the marking out is on a pitch near the end of a long season's use. At the starting point, punch out the perforations on the box for hand grips. Shake the paint well, position the 1 or 2 boxes you require on the machine, extract the retractable spout and insert the probe into a box of paint. When the power is turned on, initially water will be pumped through the pipework, which will then be followed by the paint. Once paint is coming through the nozzle, marking can begin. When marking areas that are wet, muddy or worn due to general wear and tear of a season's play, either walk at a slower pace or double mark the line to achieve the desired line presentation. Under ideal conditions, the impact paint will be touch dry in 15 to 20 minutes, leaving a bright and durable line. When marking is finished, take the probe out of the paint box and place it into the water bottle, making sure the water level is above the metal connection. Then turn on the power until clean water comes through the nozzle. With the probe still in the water container, open up the rear valve, turn the power on until clean water replaces the paint, and then turn the power off. Remove the nozzle cap from the spray head and place the nozzle, seal and filter in some flush-through special cleaning fluid until required again. The impact system is so easy and clean to use. This is the operative directly after he had marked out the whole football pitch. The impact glider is a multi-purpose machine. It can be used with impact grass marking paint to mark out sports pitches, and different paint colours are available. Though not ideal, impact grass marking paint can also be used for a quick brightening up of lines on hard surfaces such as sand-based astro pitches and tarmac areas. Ideally, however, when marking hard surfaces where a longer lasting line is needed, you should use an impact acrylic paint, which comes in a variety of colours. Mascot Impact from Rigby Taylor is a unique and innovative system offering the groundsman total control of line marking operations with great flexibility of use. It offers the following: a highly advanced, highly concentrated, ready-to-use paint, No mixing, no water, no pouring, no mess. Only 2.5 to 4 litres of paint are required to overmark a standard football pitch. Impact Glider, a multi-purpose sprayer, easy to use and maintain. High pressure system for consistent paint application. Machine and paints can be used on grass and hard surfaces. Easy to handle paint cartons, positive health and safety implications. Environmentally friendly packaging. Machine and paint, each made with the other in mind.